Hi everyone, summer is coming. Are you still wondering how to choose the right sublimation blends to grow your small business? You are in the right place. Today we are here to show our top 5 best-selling picks to help you get started. Each one is part of our annual sale, so you will get a great discount. After that, we will also show you some of the exciting new arrivals you don't want to miss. Let's jump in! Let's take a closer look at our top 5 best-selling sublimation blends. First up, the linen cosmetic pouch. It's durable, stylish, and perfect for personalizing with beautiful and full-color prints. Next, the square glass coaster. Great for custom gifts or home decor. It offers a premium plain finish that really stands out. Then we have the square photo rock slate. This one always popular for photo gifts. It delivers vivid, true-to-life prints on a striking natural stone surface. Fourth is the oblong metal keyring. Compact but eye-catching. It's ideal for adding a personal touch customers can carry everywhere. And finally, the natural polyester tote bag. Practical, eco-friendly, and perfect for bold, colorful designs that showcase your brand or messaging. And now let's take a quick look at a couple of our new arrivals. First one is MDF keepsake box featuring dual customization services. You can sublimate photos or logos of both the exterior of the box and the luminous inserts. And we also have the MDF cable coaster set, ideal for customer wedding favorites or everyday home use. Find all these blends and more on our website. Every order gets a free resin sample while supplies last. And don't forget our top 5 bestsellers and now 5% off. Personalize your next bestseller, shop now and start creating. Thank you for being with us. See you next time.